Do you want to know how to get more results from Daygame and how to get consistent results with the women that you truly find attractive? This is going to be the most informational video on this topic that you're ever going to watch on YouTube. I am going to be teaching you how to get good at Daygame extremely quickly. My name is Sebastian. I'm a dating coach for men with over 6 years of in-field experience approaching women and conversing with women, and over 3 years of experience coaching men on how to get really good at this. If you want to know more about me, check out my website. The link is in the description with testimonials of my clients so that you know that everything that I'm going to share with you in this video is going to help you get results quickly. Now that you know a little bit about me, let's jump right into this topic. How do you get good at Daygame really quickly? To get good at anything, you have to do it consistently. Whether you want to learn how to drive a car, whether you want to learn how to play an instrument or a certain sport, you have to do things consistently in order to get good at them. If you want to become a great communicator with women, then you're gonna have to talk to women on a daily basis. If you approach 1 or 2 women per month, how do you expect to get any results? How do you expect to be good at Daygame? It is a start and stop failing system. I want you to start approaching 1 to 5 women every single day, depending on how much time you have free. Now, if you're being proactive about this and you are committing to doing this, you can do 5 approaches within around an hour, as long as you are in a area with a lot of women. If you do 5 approaches every single day, that is 35 approaches. If you can't do 35, that's absolutely fine. If you do 20 to 25 per week, you are going to see a change in your social skills and you're going to see a change in your confidence. The moment that you start doing that is the moment that you will start to improve. Now, that is step number 1, consistently approaching women. Step number 2 is to follow a structure. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to have a conversation with a woman, and then you do 20 approaches, but you have absolutely no idea what you're going to talk about, what to say, or how to start a conversation, of course, you're not going to get a lot of results. For that, you can reach out to me and I will teach you a structure that I have been perfecting for over 6 years of in-field approaches. It brings results, it gives people direction, and it gives them confidence to approach women that they before thought they could never approach. Step number 3 is to have daily approach goals. If you are constantly doing the same opener, your goal should be to change up that opener and try something new. You should be giving yourself objectives that are consistently challenging you to improve. Just like in the gym, you have to progressively increase the intensity of your exercise to see more results and to see constant progression. You should be challenging yourself in your interactions with women, and now you're improving. Next step is to record and analyze your infields. That means that you're going to get audio of your approaches with women and your interactions. The reason why I am able to get people results is because I am listening into their approaches. I am constantly analyzing their game, and I can provide them with comprehensive bootcamp reviews that they can then apply in future interactions with women. The final thing to get good at Daygame is to have fun. You have to enjoy yourself when you approach women. That is the best way and the quickest way to improve at this. Yes, it might bring you anxiety. Yes, it may give you a lot of nerves. However, you should be finding joy in talking to attractive women, because social interactions are meant to be fun. And if you can find that fun through doing Daygame, and this is something that I try to put across to all my clients and everybody that watches my videos, the women are going to enjoy themselves more with you, and you're going to be able to learn much quicker than if you feel like you're forcing yourself to do this. Go out there, apply these steps, and you are going to see some results. And if you want to improve your dating results even more, I recommend that you check out my system from open to close. The link is in the description. It is everything that I teach my clients on bootcamps. It is an accumulation of knowledge from 6 years of in-field experience and over 3 years of coaching. It will bring you results. It will give you clarity on what you should be doing in order to get real results with Daygame.